We're going to be doing the pilot light issue on this water heater. Realtor called me, they just sold this home and gas not working. The bad lighting, I'll try and get a flashlight to brighten this up a little bit, but we're going to disconnect these three inputs to the control valve. With a small wrench, just easy, turn to the left, it'll come out very simple. We are going to also remove two of the bolts holding the plate, one on the right side, one on the left side. They hold the plate together, and the entire base is going to slip out with the burner and the coupler and igniter all in one. And these black wire, white wire, they need to come out also. Remember which wire is where, which one is right, which one is left. As you remove this wire or screw here, the whole unit will slip right out. And of course, make sure to turn off your gas, as that's the first thing you always need to do. But we're going to remove the igniter, pop that out of the way with a screwdriver right there. You can just pry it loose, pop it out right there, and that'll come. You don't need to disconnect it, just separate it from the bracket. And once you get the entire burner assembly out, look for the coupler. It'll have right next to it, you'll see the igniter and the pilot light itself. But once you identify the coupler, there's a small little lock on there that needs to come out. And make sure you line these up correctly when you put it back in. It's very simple to pull the coupler out. That's the locking pin that holds everything in place. You can pry that out with a small flat screwdriver. It sits right there at the base, comes out, and you have to put that back in on that rubber piece that'll squeeze the two wires together, and that helps hold them in place. This guide here has to slip in back into the burner. Take a look inside, and there's an arch that arrow slips right under. That keeps things in place. When you reconnect, you're going to be holding the red pilot button down, the black dial. You point that to the pilot and turn your gas on. Once the gas is on, you're going to hold the red button and hit the igniter, and there you go, there's your flame. Hold the red button down for several seconds, 10-15 seconds. You can do it longer, but once you let it go, it'll stay on. Pilot light stays on. Now on the top black dial, we're going to line it up to the on position, very top right here. And then the front face dial, the temperature setting, we are going to move it. This one's going to go to the on position, just a quarter turn counterclockwise right there, and you'll hear the burner kick in. Alright, there you go. Okay, now you can set your temperature, whatever you like. You want it hot to the left, colder to the right. Let it run for a bit. Make sure that your three connections underneath the black dial are nice and tight. And this is a simple fix to replace a bad pilot, which is the thermocouple. $9. This will take you a half hour with no experience. Hope this helps you. Peace.